People, what's up? Welcome back to another video. Good morning to all. And today video about the Pamban Bridge. Welcome back to my channel. Let me discuss about the Pamban Bridge. It's the Indian first vertical lift bridge. And it's a 19th century bridge. The Pamban Bridge is nicknamed the Indira Gandhi Bridge. It is one of the 5 seas bridge in India, and it is only bridge to connecting Pamban Island with Tamil Nadu, and its bridge stretches up to 2.05 kilometers long. It has lifted up to 63 meters up, and bridge is a railway crossing. This bridge is one of the engineering wonders of India. This is India's first vertical lift bridge. It's one of the most dangerous bridge in India. If you like this video, then share, comment and subscribe. Thanks for watching.